Should Apple cancel its AirTag? Or will it cancel its AirTag? Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And if you haven't already, be sure to enable notifications and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, Apple released AirTag after quite a delay. These had been rumored for a significant amount of time, but they never hit store shelves. When they finally did, came with them a wave of bad press. Just in recent weeks and months, we featured several stories, and we haven't featured many more on AppleInsider.com. A domestic abuser was caught putting an AirTag inside of a car. A Sports Illustrated swimsuit model claims that she was being tracked with an AirTag. And so many more that have been flooding social media that we couldn't always verify, so we didn't always cover them. But it makes people very concerned on how worried they need to be about Apple's titular Bluetooth tracker. While there are a lot of negative stories going around because they make better headlines, there's also a lot of good stories around AirTag. We've seen someone track down a secret German intelligence agency. We saw an army wife track shady movers when her items weren't delivered on time. We saw a Dodge Charger theft prevented thanks to the discovery of an AirTag that thieves were using to pinpoint the location of the car to steal at a later time. And someone else even found their stolen car thanks to an AirTag being placed inside. This story of good and bad really raises the question of, should Apple continue selling AirTag, and what is Apple doing to help curb some of these abuse instances? Unfortunately, Apple has been doing more than almost anyone else in this space to prevent misuse of AirTag. Apple clearly says AirTag is to find lost items. It's not really to help find stolen items, even though it sometimes does, or to stalk people, which it's unfortunately also sometimes used for. This begs the question of what Apple is doing to curb the misuse of its Bluetooth tracker. And fortunately, Apple is well ahead of the game and the competition. Since the launch of AirTag, Apple has had several anti-stalking features in place. For iOS users, you'll automatically receive a notification if a strange AirTag is found traveling with you after an unspecified period of time. So if someone places this in your bag or in your car and it's moving with you, you'll get an alert on your phone letting you know that that is the case. That'll allow you to play a noise on the AirTag and hopefully find it, though it is so small that it can sometimes be difficult to locate. But for Android users, Apple also has the Tracker Detect app that it released. The Tracker Detect app will do a similar thing on Android, and if an unknown AirTag is traveling with you, it allows you to get notified and hopefully find it. Beyond all of that, Apple's released a new personal user safety guide that gives you more information and what to do if you find an AirTag on your person, in your bag, in your car, anything like that, and how to report it to the authorities and take the proper precautions. So Apple has done a ton, and the competition is just now catching up. Tile, the other biggest name in this space, is just now in early 2022 set to release its own anti-stalking feature. Tile has been around for years, and there are millions of tiles out there on the market, and it was still relatively easy for you to be tracked using a tile and not an AirTag. And it's not even just AirTag and Tile that are the big players in this space. Users can go on Amazon and use any number of other devices to track people. You can find other Bluetooth trackers that may work. There are GPS trackers that are surprisingly affordable, and you could even use an old phone and find my capabilities. So AirTag is not the only problem in this space. So is Apple going to cancel AirTag? It's a question that I've been asked multiple times, and honestly, I'm not sure. I think it could go either way. The case for Apple canceling AirTag is just the bad press. Apple doesn't want any bad press, and there's been a lot of headlines and stories going around on social media of people being tracked with AirTag. Some of them made up, and some of them real. Apple doesn't want to deal with any of that, and if it can simply get rid of this tiny little product from its lineup and get rid of those bad headlines, that may be a good thing. But that still leaves a hole in the market. It leaves a hole in Apple's portfolio, and it leaves a lot of worse third-party options to fill that void. They can still be easily used to stalk people and don't have the security features of Apple's AirTag. The fact that there are so many stories of people detecting an AirTag traveling with them is only because of Apple's own anti-stalking features. If Apple did not have these alerts and anti-stalking features built in, people would never know. It's because of those alerts that we know that there is an AirTag and preventing it from being really used as a stalking device. Apple's done a lot to mitigate these issues, and it gets overblown in the press very easily because Apple is the highest profile company in this space. I don't really think that Apple will cancel AirTag. I think Apple just needs to work further to hone its anti-stalking features to help curb the misuse of this device. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think Apple should cancel AirTag, or do you think that it will? Let me know down below in the comments or on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And as always, be sure to subscribe and enable notifications.